Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool abstract painting using just a few simple ingredients and a hairdryer. So to start with, this is a 12 by 36 canvas and I have pre-spray painted it black and white because those are the colors I'm going to use on the two sides. I have my paints all pre-mixed in my bottles, and these are Artist Loft Flow Acrylics mixed with Floetrol. I'll kind of explain all the paints as I'm going along, but this black and white, that's what they are. So we're going to just start by getting the sides covered here. I'm going to be putting some other colors in the middle, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay. And as you can see, I'm kind of doing it at this angle here. So let's do the black. And I just pre-paint it mainly for the sides, so I don't have to stress too much about fully covering the sides. Okay. And also, just as a note, Floetrol is self-leveling. I know this method of covering your canvas drives some people crazy, but it's just how I like to do it. I like to touch my paint, and also I like to wash less tools. So that's how I roll. All right. Now the fun part. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to use turquoise. And then a gold. Oops. And this technique is really fun with just even one color in the middle or with two. So today obviously I'm using two. And this is actually antique bronze. It's the Decoart Metallics Antique Bronze mixed with the Decoart Extreme Sheen 24 or champagne gold. Champagne gold, sorry guys. And I'll put all of the colors down in the description. The turquoise is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. It's just white, blue, and yellow that I mixed myself. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my hairdryer. I'll turn down the volume at this point because it's pretty loud. But first, actually, I am going to add a little more white. The white seems a bit thin over here. Okay. Good. And here we go. All right, there we go. It's as simple as that. I'm going to go ahead and make sure all my sides are fully covered, and then I will bring you guys all in for a close-up. All right, we'll start over here on the black side. Obviously, it's high gloss, so there's going to be a bit of the glare there. And as a note, there's no silicone in here, but look at these awesome cells that are created just by kind of shoving the paint around with some force. And a couple more notes is I do use my hairdryer on cold. So I don't use it on hot. I use it on high air, but cold air. And yeah, one last note is don't push it around too much because you will create mud. Like I may have overdone it a little bit over here, but I still love it. I think it looks amazing. And then of course we have some pretty kind of wisping over here in the white. which I really like. And the cool thing about this technique is you can do any colors you want to match your home decor. So if you have purple or yellow or whatever, you can do it to match your home decor. Very simple technique with a very beautiful result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.